What the business is, man? I'm speaking on behalf of the Lil Boosie. His case. Today is the 29th. Today, let me go on and read some of this. The update on this right here. It's bullshit. It's nonsense anyway. Let's see. Baton Rouge rapper Boosie arrived at district court Tuesday morning today. A pre-trial motion and ended up pleading guilty to drug charges. Has pleaded guilty to 3 accounts conspiring to bring drugs into the institution. Judge Mike Lambo sentenced him to 8 years in prison. Investigators said he tried to smuggle drugs into Dixie Correctional Center once and into Angola State Penitentiary. After the judge announced the sentence, Lil Boosie requested drug rehab. Irvin said he would recommend it, but could not order it. Supporters for a rapper were seen hanging their heads low once the judge made that statement. And this real shit ain't nothing I'm just making up. This real shit. It say Boosie is also charged with first-degree murder in the death of Terry Boyd. Prior to the plea, Irvin refused to remove District Attorney Hiller Moore from the case. Boosie lawyers subpoenaed Michael Lambo, known as Marlo Mike, to testify on Boosie's behalf after repeatedly trying to get him on the stand. Lambo's attorney Margaret said she will fight the subpoena. They say 12 deputies with East Baton Rouge Parish Sheriff Office surrounded Boosie while he was in court. Lambo is accused of 6 separate murders. It was something I want to state. They said, check this out. Watch how bullshit this sound. They said, on another note, he walked into the courtroom wearing an expensive pair of Adidas tennis shoes instead of prison-issue sneakers. Expensive pair of Adidas. When you got Jordans higher than Adidas. Damn, what kind of Adidas did he have on? Motherfucking Ostrich, Louis, Gucci. Goddamn, customs. I mean, that first of all, that ain't got nothing to do with the case. Point blank, period. They're just some them people throwing in some dirt on him, trying to make him look bad. I mean, what you expect? He a rapper. I mean, expensive. We know expensive mean a lot. Goddamn. We know motherfucking he Boosie. We know he rich. How you gonna throw that in now? On another note, he walked in the courtroom wearing some expensive pair of Adidas tennis shoes instead of prison-issue sneakers. But damn, you knew what he had on before the time, hours and hours before, when y'all got him ready before court started. So that's just dirt you trying to throw in to make the man look bad when it ain't got nothing to do with it. Let me call somebody, man. And see what they think about it. So y'all won't just think it's me. It don't matter what the fuck you think anyway. But shit. What's up, boy? Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Shit. You heard about that Boosie, man? 8 years, fool? I know, fool. How they? And then it's over some drugs or something like that. And ain't like that nigga was selling bricks of crack or something like that out there on the streets and got caught. Yeah, man, it wasn't that much. And then it's drink, man. And then you got it's messed up because you got like other rappers and stuff like that and other people that got like over 6 felony charges and 3 is the limit and you gone and these niggas still out here. Yeah, that fucked up though. It's some dirt going on. Then they go say he walked in the courtroom with some expensive Adidas shoes instead of prison sneakers that were issued. I mean, they know what he had on before court even came. And then I know Adidas ain't even expensive. You got Jordans expensive than Adidas, man. That just They trying to throw in some dirt to make that dude look bad. We know that nigga rich, man. How you expect that nigga to dress? And then talking about expensive, hell, it's Boosie. I said, damn, that nigga must have on some custom ostrich or something, hell. Yeah, but they ain't had nothing to do with that, though. But that fucked up, though. It's some dirt going on somewhere, because that nigga don't supposed to get that long.
Hell no. I know
Hell no. They could have just... And then it said the judge... I mean, Boosie said he had requested during... after the judge had announced the sentence, Lil Boosie requested a drug rehab. And that urban dude, he said he'll recommend it, but he can't order it. But shit... Hell yeah. I mean, they could have just gave that nigga on some papers and just let that nigga do rehab, man. Hell yeah, that fucked up. And we ain't even talking about no murder, man. I said, we ain't even talking about no murder. Hell yeah. But shit, I'm gonna hit you back though, boy. Alright. But yeah, though, you know what I'm saying? It's dirt, man. It's dirt. I think it's dirt, man. That ain't what's up. I'm finna call my mama. That's what I'm finna call. Boots ain't gonna be here, so I feel sorry for you niggas. Cause I got his fucking back and I'm finna slaughter y'all ass. Like for real. Let me call my mama and see what she think about this, man. She gonna get on their ass. I know her. Mom. They gave Boosie 8 years.
Oh yeah, for what?
You know that stuff he had did about that murder case and stuff, but it wasn't that though. But they charged him for trying to bring drugs in the system.
Oh man.
But get what they said though. This is what I want to tell you. They said on another note, he walked into the courtroom wearing some expensive pair of Adidas tennis shoes instead of prison issue sneakers.
What the hell is that? He's famous.
I know he famous, and then that ain't got nothing to do with the case period. Talking about some expensive shoes. Adidas ain't even that expensive.
He got the dress for his thing. What they want him to come in looking like a hobo and homeless?
That's what I'm saying. They want him to look bad as some here rapper. I mean,
they just something they want him to do, but he walking to make himself look like that. Hell, he got fans out there. He supposed to dress like that. Hell, he rich. What they expect?
That's what I'm saying. Then they say expensive Adidas. Adidas ain't even expensive. That's what I'm saying.
They just exaggerated. So they knew what he was going to have on before he walked in that courthouse.
Yeah, they knew he was going to have on before he came.
They knew that. They just want something that's just to throw on and try to make him look as bad, but it ain't going to work. He's famous. He got plenty of fans. They love him out there.
Yeah, they love him. But I'm going to hit you back, though.
Alright, later.
Alright. Hey, mama know best. You heard it, man. So, I'm finna get out of here, man. But shit, like I said, I think it's bullshit, you know what I'm saying? But shit, hey, it is what it is. Free Boosie badass, bitch.